Hello students, this is my part 8 biomolecule series of class 11. Today we will discuss the important molecule, that is enzyme or enzymes. So what is enzyme? So first we will discuss what is enzyme. So enzymes are biocatalyst. So then we will discuss what is biocatalyst. So bio means living and catalyst means the molecule which accelerates the biochemical reactions. So which accelerates the biochemical reactions. So and it is proteinaceous means it is made up of proteins. So we can write all enzymes are proteins except the ribozymes. Here what happens, RNA act as the enzymatic actions. So all enzymes are proteins, but all proteins are not enzymes. So these are proteinaceous biocatalyst, accelerates the biochemical reactions. So what is the meaning of this acceleration here? This is, suppose A react with B, produces C plus D. So here if enzyme is added up, then the time taken for production of this product, this is the products and this is the reactants. So time taken for this product is very less, which means the reaction is accelerated. So we can define enzyme. Enzymes are biocatalyst, proteinaceous biocatalyst. Proteinaceous is made up of proteins. Bio means living, catalyst means accelerates the biochemical reactions. So in lesser time they will produce the large amount of products. So then we can write for a active enzyme or holo enzyme or active enzyme has two components, apoenzyme plus cofactor. Apoenzyme plus cofactor. So this is the protein part and this is the non-protein part. We will discuss in detail what are cofactors. And so for active enzyme there is what we call the active enzyme holo enzyme is equal to two parts, apoenzyme the protein part and the cofactors. So at the time of reactions, how the enzyme produces the product? First the enzyme act upon the substrate. So this is enzyme and this is substrate, produces enzyme substrate complex. So I am giving, it may be reversible, and then enzyme product complex. This is enzyme product complex and this is enzyme substrate complex. and then enzyme plus product. So from this equation it is very clear that there is no change in structure or function or any chemical, or we can tell there is no change of its own. The enzyme's character is that is no physical or chemical change of its own. So simply the enzyme simply produces the product without any change of its own. So it is also released as such after the product formations. So this is the very important characteristics of the enzymes. So there is no structural or no functional, particularly it will carry out the functions as such for the different types of reactions, and after that again it has no change in its characteristics, neither the physical or chemical, or we can tell the structural or any functional differences arise. It again act upon the substrate for the next reactions. So this is the enzyme. Then now we will discuss how the enzyme accelerates the biochemical reactions. So how the enzyme accelerates the biochemical reactions? So we have to take a graph here to show the how the action is carried out by the enzyme. So here we can write progress of reaction. We can write progress of reaction and here potential energy. So from this graph it is become very easy to see how the reaction carried out by the enzyme. So here what happened? So this amount of energy, this is called activation energy without enzyme. Without enzyme, this amount of activation energy. So here we can write the substrate. This is the substrate S, and here the product P. So what is activation energy? The amount of energy required for the substrate to convert into product. So this much of energy, that is without enzyme. But when enzyme is added of, then this type of graph will be there. So this is activation energy with enzyme, which here clearly marks that there is decrease in activation energy, means less amount of energy is required to convert into products. So automatically when less amount of energy is required, proportionately very less time is also required so to produce the product. So this enzyme act by lowering the activation energy which facilitates the speed production of the product. So this graph clearly shows that simply the enzyme lowers down the activation energy. For that, immediately the product is formed and lesser time is required. So in this way the enzyme act upon the substrate and produce the products. In next class we will discuss the different parts and other types of enzymes like that.